Hello, welcome back to How to Tech TV, and today we will talk about how to set immersive fill on Zoom for PC. You can use the classroom immersive background for Zoom classes. Remember, it is for hosts only. First, tap the fill button at the top right hand corner. There will be a pop-out menu. Tap the immersive button. You can choose your immersive fill. There are many immersive fields for you to choose, such as classroom, conference room, and cafe. Tap the start button to finish setting. You will see your face, excluding your virtual background, appeared on the sheets. Tap the fill button again and tap change immersive fill to change it. All done. Please subscribe to support our work. Goodbye.